Good morning, guys! Got a message from Alice, and I read all your guys' messages, so just letting you guys know. Alice sent me a message and she said, Charles, I've been following you on social media for a while and admire your positivity. Could you share some tips on meditation and how can I start and what do I focus on and how long have you meditated? So I'm gonna do this video because I talk about meditation and the benefits all the time, but I've never kind of showed you guys how to do it. All right, so let's get into meditation. Why do I do it? How do you do it? What are some of the benefits? So I pulled up an article from the Harvard that they have like a magazine, and they did a study on meditation where they brought in participants for 8 weeks and they studied their brain, and they actually did scans of their brain. And people hypothesis that meditation training improves practitioners' emotional regulation. I actually meditate is because I love the awareness. I think a lot of times we're just constantly on the go and we don't take a step back to observe. You realize you're not your thoughts, you are your relationships to your thoughts, and that you don't have to react to everything that comes at you. You can take a moment, soak it in, and then decide how you want to respond. There's a difference between responding and reacting, and I think when I meditate and I am clear, I am less reactive to everything. Okay, so how do you meditate? There are different types of meditation. There are like TM, there's also the Vipassana, which I've done, silent meditation retreat. But honestly, meditation is just closing your eyes and shutting this monkey mind that is always judging things, negative self-talk. We all have it, okay? I would start, that's non-intimidating, is just sit comfortably. You can sit anywhere, just sit comfortably and then close your eyes. If it helps, you can play some relaxing music. I just YouTube it. Sometimes I find that it helps me, or I just do it silently. You can do it anywhere. And shut off all your technology, no phone. Focusing on your breath is how I started. So focus on your breath and become very sensitive to your inhale and your exhales. So breathing out, you can feel like the sensations, getting really clear with that, and just closing your eyes. And whatever thoughts that come to you, just don't focus on that, focus it back to your breath. And at the end of the day, meditation is really just breath work. It's really calming yourself down and breathing and oxygenating your blood and giving your body all the oxygen that it needs to thrive. A lot of times we live very shallow in terms of breath work. We don't really breathe. Nobody really breathes anymore. Another thing that you can do for meditation is focus on a word. And I've been doing this lately, whether it's gratitude, abundance, love, forgiveness. And there's also things like inner child meditation where you meditate, you go back to a certain trauma or incident in your lifetime that you can kind of be an observer of that situation rather than reacting, and become and heal or forgive. And yeah, it's a lot of healing work. So some of the benefits I receive from meditation is obviously mental clarity. I feel like I'm a lot happier because I am less reactive. Whatever comes at me, stress, outside noise, I'm able to navigate through life with ease, and when I do it, I just feel amazing. And I think you guys should all try it. There are meditation apps, there's guided meditation. I have a guided meditation that I can post in the link below. Let me know if you guys ever tried meditation. Like, what kind of meditation do you guys do? I read all your comments, and what other videos do you want to see? Because Alice sent me a message. I read all of them. I try to respond to all of your messages. You want to see recipes, you want to see me doing other things, adventurous things, try different foods, let me know. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something about meditation and why I do it. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.